In this figure, we see two inputs, x1, x2. We have two neurons and we have two outputs. When the number of inputs, neurons, or output increases, at that moment we need to understand the concept of layers. A neural network is usually described in terms of three types of layers. So the first one is actually input layer, we can see here, and then we have this hidden layer, and then we have output layer. The input layer is where the data enters the network. Each node in this layer simply holds one component of the input and passes it forward. No computation really happens here. Then we have this hidden layer. The hidden layer sits in between the input and the output. This is where the network actually learns. The hidden neuron combine the input in different ways and extract useful internal features. So these features are not directly observable, which is why this layer is called hidden layer. After the data is processed here, we go to the output layer. The output layer takes these learned features and produce the final results, such as prediction or a decision. In our case, we have been doing the approximation, so we will get y1 hat of t and y2 hat of t for this example. In summary, input brings the data to the neural network, then hidden layer processes it and gives it to the output before a decision is made or some approximation is done. So whatever we desire to do with the neural network, that happens at the output. So basically, once again, we have three layers. First one is the input layer, then we have the hidden layer, and then we have the output layer.